Hello children, welcome to our channel Acing Learners, the world of e-learning. How are you? Hope you all are doing good. So let's learn the daily life lessons in an interesting and engaging way through our videos.
We hope that you all liked our previous video. Today, we are here again to learn about a new topic, good and bad habits. Have you ever heard of the word habit? I'm sure you have. If no, then don't worry. We will get to know today about in this video. So let's begin. What is a habit? Something you do regularly, often, without thinking about it because you have done it many times before. Out of those, some are good habits as well as some are bad habits. Good habits. Let's learn about good habits. Good habits include personal hygiene, like oral hygiene, bathing ritual, hair care, foot hygiene, toileting hygiene, hand hygiene, coughing and sneezing hygiene, home hygiene. Now, can you tell me what this girl is doing in this picture? Yes, you are right. She is brushing her teeth. So, we should brush our teeth twice a day. Now look at the picture and can you tell me what her friend is doing? Right? She is combing her hair. So, we should comb our hair every day. Let's come up with another pictures. We should take a bath every day. We should wash our hands before and after meal. One of the most important habits is that we should always respect and obey our elders. Let's know some of the bad habits that we should not practice and we should ignore those. Don't cry over useless things. Don't waste food. It is not a good thing. Don't break others' things. Let's learn some of the points that we should remember to become a happy kid. We should always practice good habits. We should not learn bad habits. Those who practice good habits are the ones who are happy kids. Let's learn the 7 habits of happy kids. So what are they? Number 1, seek to understand first, then to be understood. Number 2, be proactive. Number 3, finish what you start. Number 4, work as a team. Number 5, first work and then play. Number 6, positive attitude, think win. Always keep your attitude positive. And number 7, take time to refresh. These are the 7 habits that a happy kid should follow. So I hope you learned about good habits today, and now I'm sure you are going to ignore the bad habits. So I hope you liked our video. Thank you and bye-bye.